War day number 469. Yes. Welcome today on in the newspaper of Wednesday, June the 7th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the killer Sudoku, and the medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. But let me continue with the second regular puzzle. Medium Sudoku. Yeah, medium Sudoku. Number 6553. And before I start, I always count the pretty digits. This one has a lot. 28 pretty digits. Should be an easy puzzle. In matter of fact, easier than the one-star puzzle in the additional. Yeah, the one star has 27 pretty digits. This one has one more, so need to be faster than 15 minutes, maybe faster, 40 minutes, we will see. So let's get started. All right, which number can I pick? How about let me see. Well, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah, I think the 5 should be here. Well, look to the 5s. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Same for the 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Same for the third row, the 5 in the third row, the 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. So here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means in the middle column, we need a 5 here. But also here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means this box can be a 5. Should be in one of those 2 boxes. So I think the 5 should be here in the middle of the Sudoku medium. Yeah. Well. 8. Let me see. We have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above from that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, okay. Then the 2, 2, okay. 2, no. 2. Yeah. 1. Oh, no. We have a 1 here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. 1, 4. And the 7, yeah. We have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this first column. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. All right. 4. Alright, need a 2 here, need a 9 here, 5, and need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left with 3, could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 7, need a 7 here. Well, we have a 7 here. 7. Think. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third one, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second one, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. 7. Come on. 7. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. 7. Need to think. We have a 2. We have a pair. The 2 and a 7 in this row. The 2 and a 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So the other pair in the middle row should be the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Do we have a 3 here? Yeah, we have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes here. So here we have 2 missing numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well. So we have a 4. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third one. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. 4. 4. Yeah. 1. Need a 3. Need a 9. 9. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those numbers are the 5, the 9, and the 3. We have a 5, the 9, and the 3 in the last column, so no 5 and a 9 and 3 in this box. 5 and a 9 and 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 5, 9, and 3, 5, 9, and 3, 5, 9, and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Okay. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, no need 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, no need 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. Well, difficult. Need to wait. How about those 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, and the 8. Well, no, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 8. Well, this one is not easy. 7. We have a 6 here. We have an 8 here. 8. How about the 5? Well. The 7. 7. Need a 7 there. 7 in this column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here. Could be there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here. Could be there. 6. 6. Yeah. Need to think about these 3. 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, there are only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. How about these 3? 1, 2, 3. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have 2 in that row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in the middle column should be there. So 3 and 8 are left. 3 and 8. Well, let me mark those. 3 and 8. Alright. So 3 and 8, 7 and 2, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And the 1 is missing. We have 1 in this column. So no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Interesting. This puzzle is very interesting. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for 8. Could be here, could be there. 6 and 9, okay. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column, I believe the number 8, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, I believe the 3 and the 8, yeah, the 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. That means we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next to that column. The only place left for 3 should be there. So the 9 and the 5 are left then. 9 and 5. Here we have also a 5. Here we have a 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2. Interesting. A lot of pairs. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Here we have also the 9 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here we have a 6 in the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, how about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Do we have a 6? No. We have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 and 2, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Let me mark those. So 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9, 9, 9 here. So here we have 2 numbers, the 2 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and 1, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and the 7, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 9 and the 7, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Faster than 15 minutes? Well, don't think so. Let me give this a 1 star. And it's a very interesting puzzle here. Especially in the center. Big square. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later for the last puzzle, the regular puzzle killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.